Welcome to the tutorial on how to update your phone system's handset display names, voicemails, and labels. This Excel spreadsheet will be provided to you from us at Zero3. Here we have the Extension Planner tab, the Voicemails tab, and the Labels tab. Let's start with the Extension Planner tab. I've made a couple of notes here to remind you of what we need in order to make the necessary changes to your handset display names. You do not change the extension number. You only make changes to the display name, and they are limited to 12 characters. When you make a change, please highlight that change. For example, Classroom 1 will now display as Grade 1, and Classroom 2 will now display as Grade 2. When you make the change, highlight, and that's all we need. Let's move on to the Voicemails tab. Column A shows the extension number. Column B shows the email that is attached to the voicemail number, and column F are instructions on how to record your voicemail greetings, how to transfer calls to voicemail, and how you would retrieve these voicemails. When you're wanting to make staff changes, you simply delete the old email address and replace with a new email address and highlight. For instance, May is now left. We'll type in alicia.smith and highlight change. If you have more new staff members and all of your numbers are filled, please simply add on the new email address at the bottom and we will assign the new voicemail number. For instance, James, date, and Francis Hempel. Highlight these. You will receive an email from our service team with the new voicemail numbers and which email address is attached to the number. One thing to remember is to get the staff to record their messages, as you don't want old voicemail greetings on new staff members' mailboxes. The final tab is the Labels tab. This is showing the template for the 24-key handsets, the DSS side console, and the 6-key handsets. The button number shows what is programmed on that button. Button number 15 is a reception extension number. Button number 16 is the office extension number. The last key being OSH is button number 24. 120 is the OSH's extension number. The same appears on the DSS console, but for the purpose of today, we're going to be focusing on the 24-key handsets. Buttons are aligned horizontally, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 6, 12, 18, 24. The 6-key handsets will always remain the same, as will the first 2 or so rows from the 24-key handsets. Please do not change these buttons. The only changes that are being made here are the programmable keys, being office, reception, principal, first aid, etc. If you'd like to make changes here, please type in the name on your label and then add in the new extension number on the button. For instance, I want to change the IT office to say Grade 1. Type in Grade 1 and change button number 22 to Grade 1's extension number. It will no longer be 108, it will now be 110. We highlight that change. Same goes for OSH. We want to change OSH to Jim. Type in Jim. Button number 24 will no longer be the OSH, it is now the Jim, which is extension 117. We know these extension numbers from the Extension Planner tab. Please note when adding in new names, they should match what is on the Extension Planner tab, as this allows us to double check everything is correct. The final tab here is the School's Quick Guide. This is some helpful hints on what each button does and some video links to see them in action. Feel free to watch this in your own time. Once you've made all of the changes, please email us the updated spreadsheet to service@03.net.au, and our team will email you once the changes have been completed. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video helps make changes to your phone system simple.